Michael Kralik. I'm the engineering director at Western Technology. In the past, I've worked in the pharmaceutical and healthcare industry, generating germicidal control of packaging manufacturing operations. We at Western Technology were recently contacted by a Fortune 100 company that we've worked with for many years, who asked us if we could help them develop a sanitizing method for deployment of their personnel in the workplace. We went back to Western Technology as a group of engineers and took a look at the platforms and our capabilities of development, and we looked at our BODYLight. Specifically, our BODYLight is advantageous because it's battery operated, easily portable, it's explosion-proof rated, and capable of being used in harsh environments. Using this platform, we developed a germicidal UVC germ killer BODYLight. This BODYLight has orange bumpers to identify it readily in the workplace. The standard green body that is readily identifiable as Western Technology product. It's equipped with a bristle cone. This bristle cone is there for a couple of reasons. One is UV light is invisible to the eye, and so this will help protect and shield the eye from any scattered light coming back toward you and toward other personnel that may be in the vicinity. It also provides a tactile feel of the workplace that you're germicidally killing as you make contact, and it gives you a specific distance in which it's efficacious for the kill of the COVID-19 virus. I will turn it on here, but first you want to put on your proper protective equipment. So you want to make sure your skin surfaces are covered. Again, ultraviolet light is very energetic and can cause damage to the skin, to the eyes. So you want to make sure you have a face shield and protect your skin as much as possible. And then you can switch on the ultraviolet light. This ultraviolet light is equipped with red LEDs as well, and the red LEDs are there so that not only do you see it as a warning signal, that the red being warning this light is dangerous because it has ultraviolet emission, but the red light effectively maps out the same position of projection of the invisible ultraviolet C radiation. So to germicidally kill, you bring it up to a surface, allow the bristles to make contact, and move it across the surface. Approximately 1 second time period is required to kill the COVID-19 virus from the depths of the bristles. We at Western Technology will send with every light that's submitted to the customer a certified spectrum of the emission source, which validates the compliance of the light for germicidal kill. I'll turn it off at this point and invite you to contact Western Technology for a video conference or a conference call so that we can help answer your questions and direct you in the right direction. We thank you for your time.